This ought to be my biggest boss yet. Tonight, we're at last gonna draw Cactus Steven. One of the biggest bosses from Steven Universe Future. Cactus Steven, basically, Steven brought this cactus to life. And, well, it started mimicking everything he started saying. Including, well, all the weirded stuff that the gems have been doing. Sort of a bit much for him. This takes place long before that Steven became a monster. Yeah, I know. Right? Anyhow, here's his body. Anyways, Cactus Steven started following his own path at the end of the episode known as Cactus Steven. Well, we don't know what happened to Steven afterwards. He started achieving his own goals and following his own path. You know, since he's completely human, well, and half gem. That was the day we said goodbye to Steven Universe. And all the great stuff that he's done over the years. That's what it means to be human. And he's completely half gem. Anyhow, that is how you draw Cactus Steven. Good night.